Hello mates, and welcome to a new playthrough I'm doing. This is Shadow the Hedgehog. Just kind of wanted to try it out. Whoa, no, hold on. I forgot to... Okay, good. There we go. So yes, Shadow the Hedgehog for the GameCube. Well, this is actually on my computer, but we're gonna pretend this is the GameCube version. So, this is also available on PS2 and the original Xbox One. Not the Xbox One, but the first Xbox. Confusing. Anyway, I know. This GameCube version, I'm going to be using a controller. Well, obviously, well, it's not like I'm playing this on a computer or anything. So obviously, I'm going to use a controller, and it's buffering. I don't know why. Anyway, it should be working. There's no memory card on slot A. Yes. All right. What? Oh, okay. Why is it doing that? How's it? I don't get that. There's no memory card. What? Why? Come on. There we go. Here's the opening. How's it? I don't. Hello, Scott. How are you doing? Come on. Here we go. Alright, yeah, I thought the game would be too loud. Alright, is that any better? Can you hear me now? Hello, Scott. How are you doing? I'm doing pretty good today. Alright. Hopefully it's not stuttering too much. It might be a little. Alright, so basically, if you weren't here for the first 5 seconds... Oh, actually the guest is going to be on a... Well, I got 4 views, wow. It's going to be a live stream, but that's going to be a separate live stream, a bonus one, later tonight. No, we're not going to watch the opening. What? Oh, I thought the game crashed. And he asked me if we could do a Modern Warfare 2, some matches of that. So I think we're going to do that later, and then he's going to actually be playing, and I forgot to ask him if he had a mic. That was kind of stupid of me. I guess we could do it over the phone too, but I don't know. I think that would work very well. So, regardless, there's going to be a guest. He's actually a friend of mine at school, so let's see how that goes. And now I want to talk about this game and see if I can get rid of the bar at the bottom. Hold on. I can do that. Okay, that works.